Now, as the farmers' protest completes 8 months today, women farmers are conducting the ongoing Kisan Sansad at the Jantar Mantar. Thousands of farmers at Delhi border have been pressing for their demand to repeal the 3 farm laws enacted last year. According to a statement by the Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha, the Mahila Kisan Sansad will reflect the key role that women play in Indian agriculture and their critical role in the ongoing movement.
We are currently standing at Jantar Mantar, where today it is an all-women Kisan Sansad that has been set up by these farmers here. Today they complete 8 months of their protest at the Delhi borders, and they are commemorating it by holding this parliament over here, where several women have already given their speeches. Now there is a short break for which they are dispersing, but we have with us all of this group of farmers here, all of these women who've come from different areas of Punjab, and we'll speak to them for more. आपकी जो वार्ता है वो फेल हो रही है, यहाँ आकर के आप लोगों को लगता है कि अब फाइनली सरकार आपकी बात सुनेगी?
मैडम कोशिश है हमारी, शायद सुन ले सरकार। हम अपनी जो भी हमारी कोशिश होती है वो करते रहते हैं, हो सकता है सरकार पर हमारी बात पहुंच जाए।
हम आपके माध्यम से, संसद के माध्यम से ये सरकार को कहना चाहते हैं कि अगर सरकार आपने किसान को कुचल दिया तो भारत माँ की जय का नारा लगाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। क्यों? क्योंकि किसान से भारत का हर एक नागरिक जो है वो पूरी तरह से जुड़ा हुआ है।
क्या आपको लगता है कि आपके मूवमेंट में भी महिलाओं का रिप्रेजेंटेशन बढ़ना चाहिए?
बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, हमारा जो है पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ रहा है इनके अंदर। हम तो उस बात को मानते हैं, महिलाएं औरतें उठी नहीं तो जुल्म बढ़ता जाएगा, जुल्म वाला सीना देखो मौत बनकर आएगा। तो पार्टीशन बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, बढ़ रहा है, और हम इसमें पूर्ण तरह से भाग ले रहे हैं, और हम इस जो मुहिम चली है इसको जीत कर रहेंगे, जीत कर रहेंगे, जीत कर रहेंगे।
They have kept their voices very strong throughout these 8 months, and their struggle, their movement is going to continue irrespective of what the government says. Their demands still continue to be the repeal of the 3 farm laws, and they say that a huge majority of this country's population is going to be affected by these laws, and the government needs to listen ASAP. In New Delhi, with camera person Sudesh Kumar Ram, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV. We are currently at the all-women Kisan Sansad at Jantar Mantar, and actress and activist Ms. Gul Panag is here to show her support towards these farmers. We'll speak to her for more. Ma'am, my first question to you is, these farmers have been protesting for over 8 months. So far the negotiation rounds with the government have failed. Do you think that this protest now, the parliament that they are setting up here, is finally going to make some difference?
Ultimately, one has to see whether this government is going to be stubborn and maintain its present position on 3 laws that were A, passed without following legislative process, and B, passed on subjects that are not central subjects to legislate upon. Fundamentally, the issue is that now there have been multiple rounds of talks between the farmers and the government, but it all comes down to the position that the farmers take, which is when the laws weren't made with due process, how can we accept any changes in those laws? What the farmers propose is repeal these laws and make a fresh set of laws which bring on board the perspective of both corporate houses as well as farmers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That is Ms. Gul Panag. She is showing her support to the farmers. Many of these women have turned out over here. It has started raining, but despite all of this, these farmers know how to brave all the seasons. That's what they've been doing at the Delhi borders for all these last 8 months. And today, they continue to raise their voices. But so far, the government has not listened to their demand to repeal the 3 farm laws. But the farmers are hopeful that using this platform over here will finally help their cause. In New Delhi, with camera person Sudesh Kumar Ram, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.